Hello students, today another question for the discussion is discuss the role of education in the context of modernization of traditional societies. As we all know that in this particular question we write about the aspect of the role of the education and how it beneficial for the development of the traditional societies. As we all know that education is like a necessity for today's modern scenario. It is like a need of water. Education changed the mindsets of the people, and if we compare with the past traditional scenario, today by through educational the people's thinking and their attitude is being changed. If we compare with the past, there is no large amount of education institution is being there. There is no proper education facilities is being there. But with the gradual span of time, the changes in the society due to globalization, we adopting the westernization, the concept of the modernization, the education changed the concept of the societies. Earlier, there is a thinking of the people that girls basically working in the domestic environment. But now, with the changing of the mindset through education, their belief and their attitude towards seeing the things change a lot. Education play a very important role in the development of a society, because if we see the society perspective, societies is always changing from time to time. If we compare with the past now with at the present moment of time, the aspect of the evolution of the society is being changed. Earlier, the individual is not so advanced, he basically restricted to fooding and all. But as with the scope of the civilization changes, the thinking of the people is being changed. Now the people is more focused towards their goal orientation, their career orientations, and all the superstitious belief that exist previously in the traditional societies. With the span of the changes of the education, the mindset of the people is being changed. So we can say that by through proper education, it developed the mindset of the people, change their beliefs, their aspirations, and the most important thing is all about their thinking perspective. They believe in a rational approach of understanding and seeing the things and how to implement these things is all by guiding towards the education. Education is a very important role, and we can say that it is an agent of the social change. Thank you all for